Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today in this video, I'm gonna give you a tour of a one bedroom apartment in Toronto. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, this is one bedroom apartment where I used to live and I'm living today. So I'm giving you a tour. So this is the main entrance area, the main door. Once you come in, you have shelves here where you can put shoes, anything, and you have some more shelves here. You have a small cabinet that is called laundry room or something that you want to see. This is your hall. There's no fan here, no light, but you can always buy a hall light and you can use. This is the balcony. The balcony is pretty big here. And you get excellent view here. I'm going to show you the view. Some construction is going on here. You can take a look. Now coming to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. We have shelves, slabs, sink, stove. Next comes this cabinet. This is your cloth cabinet. Now this is your bedroom. We have light here. And this cabinet you can use for clothes. You have a washroom here and mirror, and this cloth cabinet as well. I'm leaving the apartment, that's why you see this condition, but this is how a one bedroom apartment in Toronto you get. So just wanted to give you a look. And yes, in all apartments you get fridge and stove, definitely. Maybe it's hydro included or not, but these things are there. And you always have fire and smoke detectors. And this is the heating and cooling unit. It differs in every apartment. If you have older apartment, you just have heating facility. So this varies. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment. And if you have any concern, any question, anything comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.